Bitcoin stalling out, bringing the entire altcoin and meme coin ecosystem down with it. How high will Shiba Inu go? Will it come down much further? Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm maxi, and today I want to be talking about Shiba Inu, guys. Where is it going to be going amidst this sell-off? Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video, guys. All right, so first things first, we are looking at the Shiba Inu chart. When you look at the weekly, not much is happening. We're seeing a big flush out on this candle, okay? But when you start to break it down, obviously you're starting to see a little bit of selling off and a little bit of sell pressure. We are somewhat seeing, like, we're kind of getting a little bit of a bottom here. The momentum wave is coming down. We probably want to see this come further down on Market Cypher, but I will be honest, what we need to be focusing on is the overall market. Bitcoin dominance, where Bitcoin's headed, because Bitcoin sneezes right now and the altcoins just collapse. And we really need to be realizing that there is signal behind that. We'll get into that. But so let's break this down, guys. So right now, Shiba Inu is sitting at rank number 12, down about 11% in the past 7 days, up about 1.56% today, which is not too bad, although we've been seeing some big sell-offs across the board. When you're looking at Shiba Inu sitting at a $15.73 billion market cap with a B, you know, guys, things can get shaky in bull markets. No one said bull markets would be easy, okay? And I will be honest, things can get much worse. And I know you don't want to hear that after you see your coin or Shiba Inu sell off. But really, when you look at this, when we measure Shiba Inu from the top to where we wick down pretty far. We wick down about 27%, which is a pretty big deal for a $15 billion market cap, okay? But really, when you realize that we're still maintaining bullish structure here, everything's all good, guys. Everything's good until it's not good, but we're going to get into this. I do think that altcoin season is still here. I think we're getting set up for a much higher move, and if you do believe that as well, guys, I really do recommend you check out the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-up bonus to Blowfin. All you can do is click that link, deposit, trade a little bit. You get a bunch of free money, as well as 10% off all trading fees, especially if you want to buy that dip right now. That's what I'm doing. I think any dip around right now during this bull market is an opportunity, so you can save 10% off all your trading fees. Click that link, guys. No other exchange is offering that right now. And even if you don't want to trade right now, get grandfathered into that. So if you want to trade in a year from now, sign up now because it's a limited time offer. We do need to be talking about Bitcoin dominance. We need to be talking about where Bitcoin is, because that is really how we know how high Shiba Inu will go, okay? Bitcoin trading at $96,930, down about 0.5%, but in the past 2 days, we had quite a big sell-off. We came all the way up to about 101,000, and we wicked down significantly, and we'll break that down. But the most important thing to be looking at here right now, guys, is Bitcoin dominance, okay? Sitting at 56.24%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're basically back at 58-ish%. Stablecoins usually make up about 2% of Bitcoin dominance. But when you look at this chart here, like I've been saying, when we're looking at the weekly time frame, not much is happening. I mean, we're seeing a sell-off here, which is very good for altcoin season, but we really need to check the daily because we're getting a little bit of a bounce. And guys, you know, I made a post about this on Twitter the other day. You can follow me at 333blackc. I said, you know, I doubt we're going to see just a complete straight breakdown on Bitcoin dominance. I expect there to be some bounces. You can't just go straight down, just like you can't go straight up. You have to find different levels and consolidate a little bit. And I do expect this to somewhat play out like this. You get that bounce, and we come further down. I expect something like that to happen here. But guys, you need to be paying attention to Bitcoin dominance if you're bullish on Shiba Inu. If you're bullish on any coin outside of Bitcoin and you expect it to perform better than Bitcoin, you need to be looking at Bitcoin dominance. And like I said, you know, guys, looking at Market Cypher as well, you have a green dot buy signal. We're having money flow starting. We barely, oh my gosh, look at this. This is crazy. Look at, we barely had red money flow. It was literally the tiniest speck right there. I don't even know if you can see it on your screen, but we're back to green, and that's okay though, guys. You know, it takes time. Like I said, you shouldn't expect this just to go straight down, because if this does go straight down, it's probably going to be over sooner than you would like to see happen here. You want to see some consolidation and for things to take their time during this bull market. I want to take a quick look at the monthly returns for Bitcoin. This is the first time in history, as of right now, that December is red after 3 green months during a bull market. guys, I do think this is going to flip green by the end of December. And if it doesn't, well, that will be a change in market history. And we're going to have to be really, really thinking about where we're at if this does close red. And probably will be setting us up for a much longer bull market or a local top type of scenario. But I do expect that this is just a shakeout during this bull market. And guys, you know, it's not uncommon when we're looking at Bitcoin to see big shakeouts. If you zoom out here, you know, along the way, if you look at previous bull markets, you can see, we're looking at the weekly right here. Look at this candle right here. This is absurd. It was basically the bull market of 2021. This was a 25% sell-off on Bitcoin on a weekly candle closure, okay? We can see that play out again, guys. We can see that play out. We could even see a market structure change like this where we saw this. We thought that we were going to keep going higher and higher back here in April 2021, and we came down at that summer lull before we hit our real all-time high of that cycle. I'm not saying that I'm expecting that to play out right now. We're still okay, all right, guys? It's not massive alarm bells happening just yet, but we do have a red dot on market cipher as well, indicating a sell signal. But, you know, we have seen these where we have a red dot and it comes down, get the green dot, and we bounce to new highs. That could definitely happen right here. Really, though, I do want to see daily candle closures above, like, I know this sounds crazy, but I really want to see it above about $99,000. And we probably won't be seeing that, guys. This is a little bearish here. This is starting to set up to be, we probably spill over a little bit more. I wouldn't be surprised if we sell off for a couple weeks. You know, we could, and everything, the market structure could be absolutely fine if we stay above $88,000. So it can get a little bit more bloody here, guys, but you need to pay attention. Like I've been saying, I've been screaming it at the top of my lungs, on the top of the rooftops during this bull market, guys. Do not get caught up in lower term time frames because you are going to panic sell. You are not going to be able to hold on to your Shiba Inu. You're not going to be able to hold on to your altcoins. You are going to panic sell because right now, at the beginning of the video, I said Bitcoin sneezes and the altcoins just nosedive. There is signal in that, guys. That means retail is back. They just bought and they just sold. And guess what? They're going to buy again, okay? It's a good signal. It is a good sign. And it's okay if we consolidate for a couple weeks here between 88,000 and 95, 96,000. That's A-okay, all right, guys? Just keep that in mind. As long as we stay above it, you're probably going to see some big, big altcoin seasons play out here. So pay very close attention. In the spirit of that, guys, I know that the market's crashing, everyone's freaking out, but there really is not anything to be really freaking out. Honestly, this is more likely an opportunity than a chance to get out. I think that this is a good buying opportunity throughout this bull market. I want to say if I can get to 1,000 followers in the next 24 hours on Instagram, please follow me, 333BlackC. I will give one of you guys $1,000. So go follow me. I've been doing this giveaway for the past week, and I'll probably do more, but I want to give back to you guys, and I want to get my followers up on Instagram. So check me out over there. But guys, really, I do want to emphasize on Shiba Inu. All eyes really are on Bitcoin dominance in Bitcoin. And I know that some of you guys would probably click this video and say, oh, Black Sea, you're barely even talking about Shiba Inu. But you really need to be paying attention at these pivotal moments throughout the cryptocurrency space. You know, the overall market cap of crypto is retesting the previous high right now. We've seen that play out many, many times in past cycles. Market structure is absolutely fine above $88,000 Bitcoin. We are in bull market territory. We are in altcoin season territory, guys. When Bitcoin dominance breaks down again out of this, I expect big moves across the board. I really do. I expect Shiba Inu to probably make new all-time highs this cycle. And honestly, after we break new all-time highs, we won't be far off from the all-time highs of the entire Shiba Inu asset, okay? So it's a very, very exciting time. Don't get caught up in all of this crazy dips. I know, like, every time we're in these bull markets, I always remember these dips can be very violent and they can make everybody think that it's over. It's not over yet, guys. Sure, we can put in a local top. Bitcoin can chop sideways for a couple weeks. But really, I do expect into Q1 2025 for us to be breaking new all-time highs, guys, and for altcoins to be doing some magnificent things. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. How high do you think Shiba Inu will go this cycle? I'm very curious. Let me know in the comment section below. Check out those awesome links. $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin. Also follow me, 333 Black Sea on Instagram and Twitter. That's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next one.